In a universe where luxury is no longer defined by excess alone, but by intelligence, silence, craftsmanship, and authority, the automotive world has entered a new era. An era where power whispers instead of shouts, where elegance dominates aggression, and where the road bends not to speed, but to presence. Welcome back to Rock and Ride Reviews, the place where machines are not just tested, but understood, where legends are not just admired, but decoded, and where the future of mobility is explored with passion, precision, and respect for legacy. The auto industry today stands at a fascinating crossroads. Supercars are becoming smarter, luxury cars are becoming faster, and boundaries that once separated comfort from performance are dissolving into one seamless experience. Brands are no longer competing only on horsepower or top speed, they're competing on how a car makes you feel when you step inside it, when you glide through the city in silence, and when you arrive without ever needing to announce yourself. And standing at the absolute peak of this transformation is a name that has always meant one thing: ultimate luxury. Maybach. Today, we witness a masterpiece that redefines what an open-top luxury grand tourer can be. A car that merges the athletic soul of the legendary SL with the unmatched opulence of Maybach craftsmanship. A vehicle designed not to chase attention, but to command it effortlessly. This is the Mercedes-Maybach SL Class 2026, a roadster that doesn't race the wind, it owns it. The first encounter with the Maybach SL Class is unforgettable. Even at rest, the car radiates a calm dominance, a quiet confidence that only true luxury possesses. The proportions are long, low, and impossibly elegant. Unlike aggressive sports cars that scream for attention, this Maybach whispers sophistication, and the world listens. At the front, the iconic Maybach vertical slat grille takes center stage, finished in high-polish chrome that reflects its surroundings like liquid silver. It's bold, regal, and unmistakably Maybach. The illuminated emblem floats proudly above the grille, glowing softly like a crown jewel. Flanking it are ultra-slim digital light headlamps, each one a technological marvel capable of projecting adaptive patterns, symbols, and lighting signatures that respond to the road in real time. The hood stretches endlessly, sculpted with subtle power domes that hint at the strength beneath without ever shouting about it. Every line flows with purpose, every surface refined to perfection. The two-tone paintwork, exclusive to Maybach, adds a layer of visual drama, with hand-painted separation lines that take hours to complete and instantly distinguish this car from anything else on the road. From the side, the SL Class heritage becomes clear. The long wheelbase, short rear deck, and elegant proportions pay homage to decades of SL icons, yet everything feels modern, futuristic, and elevated. Chrome accents are applied with restraint, highlighting window frames, side skirts, and door handles like jewelry on a tailored suit. Massive forged wheels, exclusive to Maybach, fill the arches perfectly, offering a balance between sporty stance and luxury presence. The rear design is clean, minimal, and incredibly sophisticated. Slim LED taillights stretch horizontally, giving the car a wide, planted appearance. The Maybach script sits proudly across the rear, a signature of excellence. Integrated exhaust outlets are refined rather than aggressive, reinforcing the idea that this car doesn't need to prove anything, it already has. Lower the soft top roof, and the transformation is magical. In just seconds, the SL Class becomes a rolling luxury lounge under the open sky. Whether cruising along the coast at sunset or gliding through city lights at night, this is a car designed to be experienced with the world above you. Step inside, and the outside world fades instantly. The cabin of the Mercedes-Maybach SL Class 2026 is not an interior, it's an atmosphere. A sanctuary, a private retreat wrapped in leather, wood, metal, and light. Every surface you touch feels intentional, every detail crafted by artisans who understand that true luxury lies in the smallest elements. The seats are masterpieces on their own. Wrapped in the finest Napa leather, featuring intricate diamond quilting, contrast piping, and Maybach logos embroidered with surgical precision, they offer more than comfort, they offer indulgence. Multi-contour support, heating, ventilation, and full massage functions turn every journey into a spa-like experience, even at highway speeds. The dashboard flows gracefully, centered around a vertically mounted OLED touchscreen that seems to float effortlessly. The latest MBUX system responds instantly, offering crystal-clear graphics, intuitive menus, and natural voice commands that feel conversational rather than robotic. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin in customizable colors, reacting subtly to music, driving modes, and time of day. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather, accented with chrome and touch-sensitive controls that feel both modern and tactile. Unlike traditional sports cars, this wheel doesn't demand aggression, it invites finesse. Everything is designed to reduce effort and increase pleasure. Even with the roof down, the cabin remains astonishingly serene. Advanced wind deflectors, acoustic materials, and intelligent airflow management ensure that conversations remain effortless and music remains immersive. Speaking of music, the Burmester 4D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering sound not just to your ears, but through vibrations in the seats themselves. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Maybach SL Class 2026 delivers power in the most elegant way possible. A handcrafted twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with advanced mild hybrid technology, produces effortless performance that never feels aggressive, only commanding. Acceleration is smooth, continuous, and refined, with torque delivered instantly and seamlessly. This is not a car built to chase lap times. It's built to devour distances. To make long journeys feel short. To make speed feel natural. The adaptive air suspension glides over imperfections like they don't exist, while intelligent drive modes adjust the car's personality from relaxed cruiser to confident grand tourer at the touch of a button. Steering is light yet precise, offering just enough feedback to keep the driver engaged without ever causing fatigue. The exhaust note is subtle, deep, and restrained, present when you want it, invisible when you don't. This is power with manners. As for pricing, exclusivity always carries a premium. The Mercedes-Maybach SL Class 2026 is expected to start around $300,000 United States dollars, with bespoke configurations pushing well beyond that. From custom leathers and trims to personalized paint finishes and interior themes, each car can be tailored to reflect its owner's identity. And as we reach the end of this journey, one truth becomes clear. The Mercedes-Maybach SL Class 2026 is not just a car, it's a philosophy on wheels. A statement that luxury can be open air, performance can be graceful, and technology can serve comfort rather than overwhelm it. This is a car for those who have nothing left to prove. For those who understand that true power is quiet, true luxury is effortless, and true class never fades. And here at Rock and Ride Reviews, we don't just review cars like this, we honor them. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive excellence, stay with us. Because the road ahead is filled with legends, revolutions, and machines that redefine what driving means. Until next time, keep riding smooth, keep rocking luxury, and never stop chasing perfection.